It's not a fairy tale reunion, that's a gut punch. And here's why this theory matters beyond the sequel. Because Valka's choice reveals something fundamental about the HTTYD universe that nobody talks about. The franchise tells us that the bond between humans and dragons is beautiful, that it's worth fighting for, that it changes the world. But Valka is the proof that the bond can go too far, that loving dragons can become an obsession, that choosing dragons over people isn't noble, it's abandonment. Valka didn't lose 20 years with her son because of a kidnapping. She lost 20 years because she found something she loved more than her own family,